guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you an amazing carrot recipe that is perfect for Christmas. I call it honey butter carrots. It's my favorite way to enjoy carrots. It is so good and it's the perfect side for any dish. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm using some baby carrots for this recipe. Make sure you wash these very well, then arrange them on a baking pan in a single layer to dry completely. That way they can roast properly. So while the carrots are drying, we're going to put together the honey butter glaze for them. In this bowl, I have some melted butter. Make sure your melted butter is still very warm, that way it melts the other ingredients. Into the melted butter, add some olive oil, some honey. We're also adding some brown sugar, cinnamon, and some fresh parsley. Go ahead and get everything very well mixed in, and this glaze, you guys, is going to make the carrots so good. Alright, pour that glaze all over your carrots, then you're going to toss everything together. Make sure you get the glaze on every single carrot, and don't forget to season with salt and pepper. I almost forgot. Once the carrots are coated in the glaze, you're going to arrange them on the baking pan in a single layer, just like that. Then we're going to roast them in the oven at 425 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. After these have roasted for exactly 20 minutes, you're going to toss them around in the glaze. Then put your oven at the broil setting and broil these for about 8 minutes. And guys, make sure you take the carrots out of the broil once, maybe twice, to toss them around. That way the glaze can really stick to the carrots. Also, you want to keep an eye on these so they don't burn in the broil, okay guys? Once the carrots are done, they'll be nicely coated in the glaze and they are ready to be enjoyed. Garnish with some extra parsley. These carrots smell so good, you guys. This is like the perfect way to enjoy carrots. They'll be amazing for the holidays. If you want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. So I hope you guys enjoy spending time with me today. When you make this recipe for Christmas, send me photos on Instagram and Facebook. I love seeing your creations. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell to get notified for new videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.